Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust electric guitar action. First, let's check your guitar's neck relief. Fret a string at the first and last fret, then measure the gap at the 8th fret. You're looking for about 0, 10 to 0, 12 inches of relief. Adjust the truss rod in small, 1/4 of a turn increments, allowing the neck to settle between adjustments. This sets the foundation for comfortable playability. Next, we'll set the string height at the bridge. Use an action gauge to measure the distance from the top of the 12th fret to the bottom of each string. Adjust the individual bridge saddles up or down until you achieve your desired action. A good starting point is often 4/64 of an inch on the bass side and 3/64 of an inch on the treble side. This step significantly impacts playability. Now, let's consider the nut slot height. This often overlooked adjustment is crucial for comfortable playing in the lower frets. When you fret a string at the 3rd fret, there should be a tiny, almost imperceptible gap between the string and the 1st fret. If the nut slots are too high, the guitar will feel stiff. Too low, and you might experience open string buzzing. Finally, we'll check and set the intonation. Tune your guitar, then compare the pitch of each open string to its pitch when fretted at the 12th fret. Adjust the corresponding bridge, saddle forward or backward until these pitches match perfectly. Play through the entire neck to ensure there's no buzzing and that the action feels comfortable and consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.